Worst-case corner analysis in CMOS design is often slow and complex. Solido Design Environment's DesignSense streamlines this process by sweeping device parameters, instantly highlighting critical contributors and visualizing their impact in real time. With fast, systematic sensitivity analysis, engineers gain actionable insights to optimize designs and boost reliability. Launch Solido Design Environment from SEdit. The intuitive interface makes it easy to set up simulation state, create tests, and define corners. From the Tools menu, select DesignSense. Click Select Variables. DesignSense will generate valid combinations as design candidates. Choose devices directly from the schematic or the design hierarchy pane. Once the devices have been added, parameters of interest are now to be listed below by clicking Add Parameters. Note that this box shows the correct model selected and a list of parameters from the Add Parameters list automatically loaded. Under Sweep Variables, set sweep parameters for each. Use a percentage sweep of the normal value divided into steps, or enter specific values separated by commas. The default is 3 steps of 50%, 100%, and 150% of the nominal value. If variables cannot be swept independently, DesignSense groups them automatically. Click OK to finish setup. Select Run All Combinations or choose a subset. And click Run to start the analysis. On the right, sweep plots show how each variable affects the output. Select different variables to update the plots. If you selected Run All Combinations, contour plots visualize how two variables interact. Compare candidates highlights which changes have the biggest impact with a table of optimization suggestions. Simulation results are shown in a table. Failed specs are highlighted in red for quick review. By automating sensitivity sweeps and highlighting key device impacts, Solido Design Environment transforms worst-case corner analysis into a quick, precise, and highly visual process. Engineers can quickly identify critical contributors, optimize efficiently, and deliver more reliable CMOS designs. The DesignSense tool in Solido Design Environment makes advanced variation analysis both accessible and efficient.